Okay, like this now, Davido has proven that he is the real king of the Nigerian music industry. Yes, give it to Davido, OBO, Omo Babalowo. You see, I think of recent, Burnaboy just dropped his Ferrari. He bought a Ferrari. No, the industry everywhere, no, everywhere was bustling with the news of Burnaboy's Ferrari. Guess what? OBO bust everywhere. Tear rubber, tear rubber, PJ, private jet, private jet, private jet. You understand me? So when it comes to music industry and the rest, OBO has proven to be on top. He has proven to, the boss. He has proven to be the boss. And no one can take that away from him apart from his other numerous successes. OBO has always been consistent with all his efforts. And he has been giving it heat upon what? Heat. Yes, he has been making the Nigerian music industry. Congratulations once again, OBO.